Cells may be very simple or extremely complex, and the result may be a number, a date, or a message. A formula begins with an equal sign followed by one or more values to calculate. They can include arithmetic functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or exponential functions. We also include trigonometric functions, specialized functions such as averaging or totaling, or be used to transfer data around the sheet. Selecting cells in an equation is a very important concept of a spreadsheet. We need to know how to reference the data in other parts of the worksheet. We can select several cells together if we can specify a starting cell and a stopping cell. This will select all the cells within this specified block of cells. If the cells that we want to work with are not together, we can use the comma to separate the cells, or by holding down the Control key and selecting cells or blocks of cells. The comma will be inserted automatically to separate these chunks of data. Here are some examples. To select A1, A2, and A3, we type in A1, A3. To select A1 and B1, we type in A1, B1. To select A1 and B3, we type in A1, B3. To select A1, A2, B1, and B2, we type in A1, B2. The most popular function in any spreadsheet is the sum function. The sum function takes all of the values in each of the specified cells and totals their values. Blank cells will return a value of 0 to be added to the total, while text cells cannot be added to a number and will produce an error. Here are some examples. If we take the sum of the values from A1 to A3, we get 150. However, if we add the values from A1 to A4, we acquire an error. The average function, on the other hand, finds the average of the specified data. Text fields and blank entries are not included in the calculations of the average function. The max function returns the largest or maximum value in the selected range of cells. Blank and text entries are not included in the calculations of the max function. Meanwhile, the min function does the opposite. The count function will return the number of cells or the number of entries in the selected range of cells. Blank and text entries are not counted. The count A function does the same thing, except that in count A function, text entries are already counted. The if function will check the logical condition of a statement and return one value if true and a different value if false. The value to be returned may either be a number or a text. If value returned is a text, it must be in quotes. In Excel, there is a help tool for functions called the Function Wizard. This can be accessed by clicking the Function tab, then clicking the Function Wizard icon that looks like this. Whether typing the functions or using the Function Wizard, Excel will list all of the functions available. Upon choosing the function, Excel will prompt you for the information it needs to complete the function. It is often necessary for you to understand the functions in order to figure out the cell descriptions. You can also create your own arithmetic formulas. Here is how. In the cell where you want to create the formula, type an equal sign. Either type a number or click a cell that you want to refer to. Add an arithmetic operator. The operators look like the following. Enter another number or click another cell. Continue to build the arithmetic expression in this way. Press Enter when you're done. Excel follows the standard order of operations. You can add parentheses to force operations within the said parentheses to be calculated together first. Now, you are ready to use Microsoft Excel. Good luck and have fun!